Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a easiest pocket option 5-second strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. I have also made one video previously exactly with this strategy. Actually, it is a theory and the concept of which we are going to make trades, and most of our trades are going to go right. So I always keep on telling there are time when a certain strategy or indicator works and there are time when they don't work. Okay, you need to be able to find out the exact time when they are working by testing the strategy or the indicator in your demo account, and if it is working at that real time, then start to use it in your real account at that exact time. In this way you can increase your chance of making profit. And this video is going to be a non-edited video. I'm not going to make any edits to this video so that you can clearly see if this strategy is working at this real time or not. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading features of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite by making these stars yellow. That has over 90% payout. And then just click on these candles and select this candle and select S5 as your candle time frame. And if this timer is not enabled, then make sure to enable it. Now if it is flag at here, then make it clock and then select S5 as your trading time frame. Now your candles are also of 5 seconds and your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds. Now decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So let's say we are going to invest $150 in each trade for this strategy. So just switch to the currency pair, and wherever the market is going, just whenever the timer hits 1 second, go to the opposite direction of that trend. Just make trade in that way so that you can get lots of right trade. So we made profit in our first trade. Similarly, you can see market is trying to go up, so you make trade in the opposite direction, that will be in the lower direction. As you can see here, clearly market is trying to go up. We made loss in this trade. Loss and profit both are the part of this strategy. Okay, so here you can see there is no any clear trend. I'm confused in that. So here you can see market is trying to go up, so that's why you need to make trade in the opposite direction and your trade will go right. So similarly, you need this kind of clear trend. So here also I am not a little bit clear in this trend. Okay, this also doesn't have a clear trend. You need a sharp trend for this strategy to work. If the trend is not sharp, then it can be a little bit hard for you to. So here you can see there is the sharp trend, and whenever timer hits 1 second, we are going to make trade by clicking in the opposite direction. So let's see what happens in this trade, and we made profit in this trade. So let's go to another place. Here also no any sharp trend. So here you can see there is a little bit sharp trend. Okay, so whenever the timer hits 1 second, we are going to make trade in the opposite direction. Now not all of your trades are going to go right. I have already told you that. Okay, so but this trade went right and we are already in the profit of $200. So now what I can do is I can use my mind. Okay, and I could think of stopping whenever I make one loss so that I can keep my profit that I have made today. And guys, one important thing, as you can see in the screen right now, these are the results of my VIP copy trader who copies my trade automatically into their pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. Okay, and if you also want to copy trades like these automatically into your pocket option account, then do join my free Telegram channel. Okay, and read the instructions there, follow the instructions there, and you will be able to copy my trade. It will help you a lot in your trading journey. So again, we are back to the account, and now let's make a few more trades. So if we make one trade loss, then we can stop trading for today. So here you can see there is a sharp trend, and whenever the timer hits 1 second, we'll make trade in the opposite direction. However, the trades can go wrong at any time. Okay, this is just a theoretical concept that is working at this real time because I have made some test and I am showing you the strategy. So let's go. Here you can see market has a sharp trend. Okay, and you can go whenever the timer hits 1 second, you can make trade in the opposite direction because totally market is trying to go up. Okay, so we made loss in this trade. Now we'll stop trading for today. We have booked the profit of $380. So this much for this video. Now I would like you to watch another video where I have shown you by making $10 by increasing my $10 into $2,500 by using simple strategy of 5 seconds. Okay, you can watch that video and enjoy and learn something new from this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.